welcome back to another day at the Poosler Farms to finally get rid of the caster cart. I mean, what's left of it at least. The motor still runs, transmission still works. I don't know how, but it does. So it's pretty much back to the half car at this point because yesterday we ended up rolling it, destroying everything, and I was going to build something out of it, like a monster truck or something like that. I had some tractor trailer tires we were just going to weld on to the rims or something dumb like that, but I don't have the time. I only got 2 weeks left here before I leave for basic training, so everything's just kind of being destroyed. So we're going to destroy it, do some burnouts with it, maybe drive it around if it moves. I'm not really sure what it'll do yet. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so it's 20 degrees outside today. The car is dead. The battery died, so we're going to get the battery charged up on this. We got Justin out here helping us today. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. We got like a full can of ether just to rev it out even more. And we're going to pull some parts off of it that we want to keep because like the rims are still good. The battery is really good. And I think there's something else I want to, but we'll take it all off. The lights on top are good too. We smashed one, but oh well, not my fault. But yeah, we're working on getting it started right now, getting it all worked up, getting it nice and warm before we get it out back so it stays running. And yeah. I'm gonna blow her up. Come on, old girl. You got it in you, I know you. You only got 200,000 miles on you. You can do it. Purposes, it's just gonna be me and James out here. We didn't bring any other camera people out because we don't want them getting hurt because, you know, we're trying to send a rod through the block, so. Alright, so it has gotten 10 times more dangerous because we just threw a log under the front of it to get the tires to spin so we could rev it at higher RPMs.
Hey Wyatt?
Yeah?
The front end's on too much of an angle.
And it'll probably start.
Let's go find something we can.
Oh, that's pretty brutal.
Hey, found your job!
Jesus. Alright, so engine will not start again for whatever reason. I'm very disappointed with this car. We weren't even that mean to it. It didn't start. What the hell, man? Yeah, so we're gonna put some holes in it and get the battery out of it, the rims off of it once we get on the trailer. And yeah, we're gonna do some more damage before we take it to the junkyard. I'm pretty sure that was a good light. Not anymore. We got the tires off of it because we're keeping those for other vehicles. And yeah, she's pretty totaled. It's been a fun 4 years. It's time to let you go. Oh, this is breaking my heart to watch this car go, man. Even though it looks like this, it's still hard to let it go. It's pretty clapped. That's as clapped as a car can get right there. All right, well, off to the junkyard. Well, warmed up a little bit. It's 25 degrees out, but yeah, she's pretty totaled back there. Oh boy.